to be one of the most creative videos I've ever seen. Send us messages at MX24 TV, every single platform. I have Bogo Blay in the house.
Yeah, man.
Bro, I was saying this more 2 years.
Yeah.
Since we last spoke.
Yeah.
Oh, how have you been? You're looking good though.
Thank you.
These are my brothers that come onto this set. Right now, I'm gonna give everybody my Momo number.
He won't laugh me.
Don't do that.
Just compare.
No, we are not doing that.
Fanboy,
this is not Ghana, Nigeria. I'm not comparing
horror.
anything here. Charlie, it's so good to see you, man. How have you been since that 2 years? I mean, emotionally, mentally, physically. Are you married yet?
Nah.
Okay. Don't leave me on the streets.
Fashion.
Don't leave me like that. All the boys are leaving me. They must not leave.
Nah.
How have you been, man?
Charlie, good.
Good. How's music been?
We're still working on music.
Still working, right?
Yeah.
So now you've got a new project, you've got videos out, you've got all these things. We're going to get into all of that. But we're talking about something of which really, really struck me, right? About brand identity and Bogo Blay as the man, the music, the brand, the man behind these things, right? Yeah. Now, your song. What was the biggest song? Please tell us about that song. I mean, a lot of people know that song.
Django, right?
Django.
Yeah.
But when you recorded that song, did you know it was going to do what it did?
Nah. That song has been a freestyle for years. Like, when I go to the shows, you know, people love call and response when it comes to shows, like performances.
Yeah.
So it's something that I've been doing, like, Jimapel, my man, Bogo Blay, Django, yeah. And then I recorded this, and then, Charlie, look at this now.
Off.
Yeah.
When did you know that song was as big as it is? Like, what did you hear on radio? Did somebody call you? Was it views? What was that moment that you know, nah, this is the song? You
know, Django is that one song that whenever you hear it, like, for the first time, you'll be like, yo, who this? Yeah, you see, that song, that's my like all-time dope song, like, best. Yeah, so far. Yeah.
That's your baby, right?
Yeah, Charlie Django is a superstar.
So you said something right now, who this? People know the song, right? But like they're like, who sang the song? Because the song has a very interesting title, Django. And your stage name is very interesting, Bogo Blay. Wait, is Bogo Blay a real name?
Yeah, that's my real name.
Very interesting name. Like, a lot of people who get to know you get like, that's your real name, Bogo Blay?
Yeah.
Now, they don't know the man behind the music. Was it because the song was so big? Was that the reason, do you think?
I don't know. I think I promoted the audio very much than the image.
Okay.
You know, everyone wants their song to be out there.
Yeah.
If an artist is coming up, like, that's the dream.
Yeah.
When am I going to hear my song on radio? When am I going to, like, see my video play on TV? Yeah. And then I invested everything in the audio, but I forgot to push the image along, you see?
Okay.
Yeah, so the song got there, and then they were like, okay, we're enjoying, but then you'll be there enjoying with them, but they don't know.
They don't know.
Yeah.
How was that feeling? There was like, when people are vibing to your song and you're in a club and they don't know it's you.
Okay, so...
Was that a good feeling, or was it weird, like...
Me, I don't see negativity in even negativity.
Okay, that's good.
I try to convert everything. So, example, when I go to places and then they are playing my song and then even the DJ doesn't know me. Yeah. I'm like, okay, I'm blessed. But then gradually I'll be more blessed, you see? Yeah. I'll be like, okay, you get to know me later. Don't worry.
So now the song has done amazing things. You have a video which we're going to get into. Is it difficult catching up to the song? Now, the image, like people getting to know you, and what are you actually doing? What are the steps you're taking to make sure people know this is the guy behind the music? Because again, it's not a bad thing, the song being as big as it is, but it's wonderful. It's a blessing, more so when people know that, this is the guy who made the music. What are you doing to now catch up?
So me and my team, we sat down and we noticed that like the song is big than the artist. So we started promoting the image, like pushing the image along. So we reshot the video. So Django has a new video that was dropped like 2 months ago. Okay. So it has a new video, and then we are trying to perform on like more stages. Like platforms, and then people.
So the steps are being taken. I think we have the video. So what I want us to do is I want us to check it out. Then we'll talk more. You have a full body of work with 10 songs. Kwame Eugene is on there. I'm sorry I'm giving everything away, but that's very, very huge. So we're going to get into all that. Guys, check this out. Tell me what you think when we get back. Bro, who shot this video?
Mr. Morgan, my personal director.
Oh man, he has to be all of our personal.
Yeah, man,
He
has to be out there, you see.
Right? Yeah, but that's really good, you know.
Yeah, it's very
Put
dope.
him in on like that. So, but I just want to know, that guy with the hair, is that a character? Because the first video we saw, that was that guy with the hair on the side. Is that like an alter ego? Who is that?
You know, yeah, like that's kind of a different me.
Okay.
You know, I used to be this character, like different character on Amrado Yetinsem.
Yeah.
You know, I was kind of like that Fulani. Yeah, I used to be, rapper.
Okay.
So it's like, there are so many.
Because that guy might also be more famous than you, man.
You see?
He might be more famous than yourself.
see?
That's
You
crazy.
see?
But it's really cool that, you see other videos. Now, the first song we played was off your new project. Django's also on that project.
Yeah.
The first, what's it called? Something about
If I Die.
If I Die.
Yeah.
Why that song? And what's it about?
That song really, it came when I was, like, in my lowest.
Oh.
Yeah, that's 2022.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Oh, recent.
Recent, yeah.
Oh, sorry, man. Was it mental issues, like personal stuff you were going through? I mean, you don't have to share the specifics, but what would you say put you in that place?
I need to be real. Yeah, I need to be real. I don't have to cover anything.
Oh, if you want to.
Oh, yeah. You know, the previous years, like, I was putting in, like, I was investing in the craft.
Yeah.
And then I had this budget like that. I said, okay, let me put this money in there.
Okay.
I put everything in. I didn't see no results.
Whoa.
So it was kind of
in your music, you mean?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. So I invested in my craft, and then nothing came out. No shows, no nothing.
This was
so,
even after Django. Bro, you're kidding.
You see, so that was like when I started to feel it when I get to a place and then they are jamming with my songs, but they don't know me.
Yeah.
It's like, okay. So this is how it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, that's crazy. And again, thank you for sharing. You know, it's not the easiest thing to talk about, but you're speaking for people who are going through something similar. Yeah? And I say this space that we're in this place, you know, the media, the music, you really have to love it. Make sure you love it. Don't just do it because everybody else is doing it. Because, you know, it takes a lot of resilience to get out of that place. Yeah. And I'm assuming now you're in a way better position, you know, emotionally, financially, mentally. That's a good thing. And that's even led to a new project with 10 songs. Tell me about this project, man.
Okay, so this project, like, I actually didn't have plans of, like, dropping an album, like, anytime soon. I was like, okay, let me keep making the singles. And then when I'm up there, I should, I'll be able to drop an album or something. But then, when Blanco came, you know, he came with this fire.
Fire, right?
I was like,
just like when Kwesi came.
You see?
Like that fire. When Ebony came.
You see?
Sheesh.
It's like, yo, this guy is... So, like, Blanco and then Kendrick Lamar to drop an album.
Yeah.
I think within that year.
Okay.
I was like, yo, all my people are coming out like this.
Yeah,
Charlie,
right?
let me come out. Yeah. So, like, they motivated, like,
oh, that's good.
Like, everything behind the album.
That's
like,
good.
I saw them and I was like, no, I shouldn't be.
Yeah.
Like, I shouldn't let this keep me down.
Yeah.
I should, like, at least do something. So I went to the studio and then we recorded some of the song and then we selected some too that was already recorded and then we arranged it and put it out.
How's the response been, man?
Great.
That's nice.
Since I dropped the album, like, it's been elevation since.
Amen.
Yeah, elevation since. And now I'm here.
Yeah, what you went through built you up to this place. You know, it's so crazy, right? When you're in the public space and people look at you and they question you like you don't want the best for your career. It's like, why aren't you doing this? Like, go out and do this. Like, bro, I'm trying. Bro, like I have sleepless nights. I want to do well.
Some people will be like,
right?
You don't go to places like this. Yo, bro, I spent
to.
every dime on me. Bro, I didn't even have the trampo Charlie to go.
Right, people question you like you don't want the best for yourself. But again, it's just part of the job, you know, and it's good to see that people like you have that resilience and you're inspiring people. Before you do go, just a little bit of advice. What would you tell people who are in that position, even not in the media space, people who are trying their best, but they're not seeing the results, you know, are trying their best, but they're not making that money. But they're doing what they know is best. What advice would you give those people to get out of that place?
I would say the main root of depression is expectation. If you keep expecting, like you drop this, you want it to get like 1,000 plays and it's like 20 plays. You'll be like, no, you've not done your best. you've done it. The time just hasn't come. We shouldn't expect too much. And if you have like two fans, like two like core fans, just keep doing what is good, like what they will love.
Yeah.
Those 2 people will tell 10 people that you are the best, and they will convince them to become your followers.
Yeah.
So now I don't expect. Yesterday, my manager was asking me how many followers do I have on IG, and I said I don't even check, because if you check, you'll be like, oh, I was like I had the same followers like Kweku Flake, and then now he's 500K, and I'm 2,000. So when am I going to be like that?
Yeah.
How is Blacko going
stressful,
on?
bro.
Yeah,
Like, it's stressful.
no, I don't expect. I don't check. I don't even check the numbers. I keep doing me. I have a lot of music in my stomach. I need to vomit them out. You see.
Bro, like let it out, bro. If you need some diarrhea medicine, I'm going to give it to you. Release all of it. Just let it out.
Man, you see?
Let it out, you know. I really like that. He said, I was speaking to a friend, you know, and we're talking about music. And one thing I told him that sometimes we shouldn't overplan. Just let the universe and God do his thing. Just let it out. God to do the rest. And I think that's the best advice. Thank you so much.
Bless.
I hope we get to talk some more
Sure.
moving forward. So this project is on all platforms. What's the title of the project?
Wailing Monster.
Hey, Charlie. Why Wailing Monster?
Because I was down. I was wailing, like I was hurting. Yeah.
But now you're up, right?
Yeah,
you're
the beast is awake.
The beast is awake. I like that. I like that. So, like you said, 10 songs. You have Kwame Eugene on there. What's that song called? For everyone.
Sweet Song.
I'm not surprised. Two Lover Boys on the song. It's going to be called Sweet Song. So go out there, find it, buy it. And again, thank you so much for this. You don't know who you've touched today watching this, man. You have no idea, because people are really going through it, bro. My DMs, like, they're crazy. These times are not the easiest of times, but thank you again. Bless you so much for coming. That's Bogo Blay. I have to leave you guys. I'm going to be here Wednesday, same time. Shout out to everyone who's tuned in. Shout out to BradQuessy.com. That's a brother. He's also doing his thing. Shout out to all the fans, everyone who follows MX24. Appreciate you beyond measure. Again, Bogo Blay, big gig salute to you. Enjoy his music. Salute.